Connect Africa for Sustainable Development is an international platform started up by women with different African backgrounds. We have women from Africa, from Mali, from Togo, from Cameroon, from South Africa, from Gambia, Ivory Coast, Namibia. We have these different women who came up together with the idea to develop their country and in connection with the diaspora women. And the aim of Connect Africa for Sustainable Development is to be able to use the knowledge of the diaspora women to impact in the different African countries for the development of their country. Because we believe that development comes from within, and the diaspora are part of the within in the African continent. Together with the African women in the African countries, we want to network Africa, Europe for the goal of sustainable development. And we have 3 ways in which we want to work. We want to empower women in their personality. We want to help them through participation, the right of participation, or again, voluntarism, and of course, empower them in entrepreneurship. We believe that if these 3 aspects are well touched, a woman is going to be socially, economically, and ecologically independent, and it will enhance the development of her community.
My name is Joyce Muvunyi, and I'm in charge of the Center of Excellency on Burundi for the Development Foundation of Baden-Württemberg, SEZ. And I'm really happy to have learned about the project Connect 4D, because I think it really makes visible 2 things that are very important in the context of the Sustainable Development Goals and the Agenda 2030, which is first of all the role of the African diaspora, and especially the role of African women in the diaspora that can foster and support their counterparts or partners in African countries. And then I also appreciate that Connect 4D is a very concrete implementation of what the Sustainable Development Goals intend, and work towards a sustainable community development that comes from within and functions through knowledge transfer between European and African partners.
Notre plan d'action à Connect Africa pour le développement durable va intervenir sur 3 aspects: l'aspect économique, l'aspect lié à l'écologie et l'aspect social. Et nos projets ne pourront pas être en dehors de ce plan d'action, étant donné qu'il s'agit de rendre concret ce que nous avons essayé de mettre sur papier. Et à cet effet, sur le plan économique, les membres devront développer par pays, en collaboration avec la diaspora et le bureau exécutif, un certain nombre de projets qui vont être liés à l'agriculture, liés à l'élevage, liés même au e-commerce et à d'autres échanges. Sur le plan écologique, il y a un certain nombre de préoccupations qui reviennent dans tous les pays où se trouve Connect Africa, parce qu'il faut préserver l'humanité, préserver également l'écosystème, étant donné les questions de variations climatiques et des changements climatiques que nous vivons aujourd'hui et qui ont un impact sur le développement humain, sur le développement social et même sur notre planète Terre. Au niveau social, nous pouvons évoquer des questions des réfugiés, des questions liées à certaines instabilités, aux violences, aux questions de la femme, aux questions des enfants, l'éducation, qui reviennent toujours fortement à des questions liées à la santé, parce qu'il est temps que les uns et les autres préservent leur santé en se mettant aussi ensemble, en créant des mutuelles de santé pour l'élaboration d'un monde meilleur, pour une meilleure prise en charge des uns et des autres de façon solidaire.
Zur Rolle der Diaspora. Ich halte die für eine sehr wichtige Rolle. Ich würde sagen, die sind in der Entwicklungszusammenarbeit und sicherlich auch in der Frage der Erreichung der Sustainable Development Goals quasi die Hidden Champions, die Menschen aus der Diaspora. Weil ich kann mir in Deutschland viele kluge Projekte überlegen, wie andere Länder gefördert und entwickelt werden könnten, wenn ich nicht mit Menschen aus diesen Ländern rede, die im Idealfall sogar beide Welten kennen, nämlich ihr Herkunftsland und die Welt dort und eben ihre neue Heimat in Deutschland. Wenn ich mit denen nicht rede, dann kann ich auch für andere Länder oder für die Menschen anderer Länder nichts tun. Weil ich werde selber diese andere Welt nie so gut kennen und einschätzen können und beurteilen können und auch unterstützen können, wie die Menschen, die diese Erfahrung eben einfach mitbringen. Und ich finde diesen Erfahrungsschatz der Menschen aus der Diaspora hier in Deutschland, den müssen wir unbedingt nutzen.
What would you say the role of the African woman is for sustainable development? And what would you want us to know?
We now have a great opportunity with Connect Africa Sustainable Development, which is not just one network. Connect Africa has managed to gather many networks touching different aspects of life into one huge one. So I will implore that we all accompany Connect Africa Sustainable Development in its quest. And I deeply hope that the state of Baden-Württemberg will also accompany us, because we'll always see your state like where Connect Africa for Sustainable Development was born. So we really hope that you accompany all of us in this quest, and I trust that we are going to succeed. And I encourage all the women, and I hope the diaspora also will accompany us. While you're here, we are there, then we'll do the same thing.
So my message to everybody here is, when you go out of here and the lady is knocking at your door, just give her an ear. Listen to the ladies listen to the ladies, the men listen to the ladies, and give them an ear and help them drive the world, and we shall develop together.
It's all our responsibility to take a part in sustainable development. If you do your part and not expect someone else to do it, what I can say, it's like when you have a stick like this, and when you try to break it like this, it will be easily break. But if each and one of us has a stick and we combine it and try to break it, it will be hard to break it. I'm the grandchild from the nation of Nelson Mandela. So he has done his part to show us and give us an opportunity to do it. So we are following his footsteps. Amen.
Et pour ma part, je repartirai de cette ville
in this state, this town,
avec beaucoup de sujets,
with many topics
dans ma base de données, Et un autre que j'ai découvert ce matin,
What I discovered today,
this morning, il faut que les femmes et les hommes d'Afrique
ils comprennent the women from Africa.
comprennent que leur rôle c'est de bâtir cette Afrique, ils comprennent
Should understand that their role is to build the Africa.
ils comprennent que oui, ils peuvent aller à l'extérieur, aller acquérir des ressources en connaissances et en matériel pour revenir bâtir l'Afrique.
So they should understand that when they come to Europe, they go out of Europe, they should get knowledge to come back to build Africa.
Mais avant de partir, nous les médias, nous devons leur dire ce à quoi ils doivent s'attendre là-bas, comment est-ce que c'est là-bas. Parce qu'aujourd'hui on a visité un camp de réfugiés, je pense qu'il y a assez d'informations à passer à la base pour que les jeunes, pour que les personnes qui se décident à partir, elles sachent, elles prennent de meilleures décisions, ma foi.
I appreciate you, Madame Dongo, that you were here on the podium with me. I appreciate you, Madame Ikome, that you took time to be here. Likewise, Dr. Aliko, that you have been with us from beginning to now. I appreciate you, Norma, for the great job you're doing with the youth and the children and the youth. And I thank you, Ms. Liz, for the great job you're doing as a journalist. And I hope that you're going to connect with us to continue to foster the work for sustainable development. It is important to volunteer as a human being, and as Connect Africa for Sustainable Development, we encourage people to come and volunteer to our project, which is Africa to Africa and Europe to Africa. And it doesn't matter where you come from, it doesn't matter on which level you are, it doesn't matter on which stakeholders you are. It will be appreciated if you can show your availability or you assist us, because volunteerism is something that's come from the heart, and then it can make a difference to a lot of people. Either you volunteer your time, or you volunteer your service, or you even donate, is a part of the volunteerism. So we either everyone who are interested to come and assist us under the volunteerism.